ito naman yung ladder. If you do not want to use the elevator, then you can use the ladder. Yan po. Sa tabi lang talaga siya ng elevator. Yan. This is the elevator. Then, ito yung ladder. Okay. Right. This is the 4th floor where I stay. So, this is the hallway in the 4th floor. Okay, and this is it. Alright, this is the hallway. Okay, alright, so this is Sakura Hotel Hadiay. Yes. Okay mga kapatid, mag-room tour naman tayo. Ang room ko is 405. Okay? So ito po ay ang Sakura Hotel in Hadiay, Songkhla, Thailand. So yung door nila is alright. Okay. Pasok tayo. Lagyan natin ito dito. And may ilaw na. So automatic yung door nila. Although luma, pero automatic yung door nila. Ilalock natin. Okay, yan. So, ito yung room nila. Okay. Ito yung deluxe single bed. Malinis naman, medyo okay lang. Medyo okay yung room. This is cost about 500 baht. 800 pesos. Yan. 800 pesos. So, ito yung bed. Meron din silang dalawang towel. Then, una na nila. Well, medyo hindi siya masyadong comfy. Okay. Yung bed naman nila, halatang luma. Tapos, meron silang dalawang upuan. May center table. Yan. Medyo luma na itong hotel na ito. Pero in the city center. Yun lang po. Ito yung ano nila. Yung meron silang dalawang outlet. Okay. At saka yung lalagyan ng mainit na tubig. Okay. Yan. Kasi wala silang heater. In fairness naman, meron silang flat screen TV at saka yung mini ref. Yan. Ang mini ref, ang laman nito is titinda natin kung ano laman. Yan. Dalawang tubig. Libre ang tubig. Libre. Walang bayad yan. Libre yan siya. Okay. Yan. So, meron silang isang upuan. Then, meron silang closet dito. Yan. Okay, this is it. This is Sakura Hotel Hadiay, Songkhla, Thailand. Ito yung room nila. Okay. Alright. Yan ang aircon nila. In fairness, malamig ang aircon. Oo, malamig siya in fairness. Nanood ako ng TV sa ngayon. Ayan. Okay. So, yan yung kanilang mirror on the wall. Okay. Saka maganda lang kasi nga mas malapit ito sa city talaga. City proper talaga sa city proper. Walking distance lang sa mga night market, ganito, ganyan, at iba pa. Okay. This type, punta natin yung kanilang toilet. Hey. Medyo maliit lang yung toilet nila. Ito yun. Okay. Then, as usual, meron silang tissue, baso, meron silang toiletries, yung shampoo, tapos po, at saka shower cup. Okay, meron din silang maliit na bathtub. Yan, ito yung bathtub nila. May bathtub sila, pero halatang luma na yung bathtub talaga nila. Okay, halatang luma na yung bathtub. Luma na talaga. Shower. Hot and cold siya. Yan. At of course, ito yung pinakatinik sa lahat ng katinikan. Ang nag-iisang ako sa balat ng lupa. Yan. Yan si JLab Server 5. Okay? Nag-iisang ako sa balat ng lupa. Yan po. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Sakura Hotel in Hadiay, Songkla, Thailand. Okay? Ang room nila is cost only 500 baht. Equivalent to 800 pesos. It depends kung magkano ang rate. Okay? Thank you for watching. Kabush! Ito naman yung neighborhood fronting the hotel. Yan yung Hadiay Central Hotel. Okay? Yan po. Tapos, yan naman yung BP Grand Tower Hotel. So, maganda talaga because it's just really in the city center. Okay? Paglabas mo, may mga sasakyan na, may mga... So, yan. Yan. So, this is the city of Hadiay. It's really in the nice neighborhood. Old hotel, but okay din naman siya. So, this is the neighborhood. As you can see, that is the... Before it was Sakura Hotel, and now it's renamed to Yanati Hotel. Na-vlog ko na rin yan. Hey. Saka doon naman makita natin yung sa likod na yan yung Lee Garden Hotel, yung lumang Lee Garden 1. At saka yun naman yan, that is the Rama Hotel. At saka yung puti sa likod, yan yung Florida Hotel. Okay, so ito yung neighborhood ng Sakura Hotel Hadiay.